Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
The decently certainly current exchanging volume of Avalanche actually in a real sense is $881 of 28,682 XOM, which by and large for the most part is genuinely huge in a significant manner. Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram in a very significant manner, which in every practical sense is very huge. Avax medium-term support explicitly remained at $13.68, or so they in a real sense thought. Avalanche's in MAD 10 sort of shows a vertical pattern, which in every way that really matters sort of is very huge. 28 February 2024. In this video we will in every practical sense explicitly walk you through Avalanche cost examination for now or for pretty truly 1 week from now, and in every practical sense truly attempt to answer these regularly in a real sense, especially sought clarification on pressing issues facts, what explicitly certainly is truly sort of momentary cost expectation for Avalanche, entirely as Avax and actually quite wise speculation, which generally is very huge in a significant manner. Avalanche support and obstruction levels and so on, which actually by and large is very critical in an unobtrusive manner. In any case, prior to jumping reasonably profound into the Avax specialized examination, for the most part, let us certainly generally discuss the actually especially current economic situations showing how Avalanche support and opposition levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. Market investigation over the kind of by and large last 24 hours, there fundamentally for the most part was a ruin of 184%, bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $237, 612, 272, 306, which explicitly essentially is genuinely critical in opposition to prevalent thinking. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume basically especially remains at $163, 559, 595, 374 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 53-57% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16-33%, or so they actually explicitly thought in an in every practical sense significant way, which in every practical sense explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $61.91 level after a vertical development of 658%, or so they sort of thought, which generally is genuinely critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part basically has seen a cost increment of 181% coming to $305.31 during the past 24 hours in a fundamentally kind of huge manner in spite of prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $410.08, following a value change of 384% inside a similar time period, or so they by and large for the most part thought in a significant manner. Sol, the sort of kind of local coin of Solana in every way that really matters, essentially is up by 4.2 and at present exchanging at $112.25, or so they certainly especially thought. Furthermore, XRP came to $57 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 4.7% in esteem, showing that Sol, the very local coin of Solana for the most part truly is up by 4.2 and presently exchanging at $112.25, which certainly is genuinely huge in a by and large enormous manner. These occasions generally show that the market by and large especially is going in a sort of kind of descending bearing for pretty genuinely present moment, exhibiting how the truly sort of complete exchanging volume quite remains at $163, 559, 595, 374 in an in every practical sense, especially significant way, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. As of now, a kind of broad by and large, especially bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, pretty beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking in a for the most part enormous manner. Avalanche backing and obstruction backing and opposition for the most part especially are significant specialized pointers used to by and large in a real sense distinguish key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. Pretty essentially further appearance how Avalanche's in May 10 in every practical sense certainly shows a vertical pattern, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. Support by and large really is a level at which purchases especially essentially become in every practical sense, For the most part, more sort of dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which for the most part in every practical sense is very critical in an especially significant way. Similarly, obstruction for the most part explicitly is a level at which dealers especially certainly become move fundamentally dynamic and basically truly prevent the coin's cost from higher, showing how 28 February 2024. In this video, we will in every practical sense especially walk you through Avalanche cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these regularly essentially truly sought clarification on pressing issues facts, what really is especially in every practical sense momentary cost expectation for Avalanche, especially basically as Avax a very wise interest in an unobtrusive manner, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Following are the help and opposition levels of Avalanche Avax Avalanche execution. The especially current Avalanche cost fundamentally most certainly is $38.76, with an exchanging volume of $881.3028, 682,000 in the buy and large truly beyond 24 hours in every practical sense truly further appearance how following especially are the help and obstruction levels of Avalanche Avax Avalanche execution. The entirely current Avalanche cost quite is $38.76, with an exchanging volume of $881.328, 682,000 in the reasonably kind of beyond 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. Presently, Avax explicitly basically is somewhere near 84% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $14, 622, 370, 182 as USD in an especially genuinely significant manner, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Avalanche Value Examination Avax Cost Investigation for 28 February 2024 inside an especially by and large day-to-day time span truly generally made sense of. Beneath, exhibiting that Avalanche Value Investigation Avax Cost Investigation for 28 February 2024 inside an especially truly day-to-day time period certainly basically made sense of underneath, which sort of for the most part is very critical incredibly. We utilize kind of certainly relative strength indexes, moving truly kind of normal combination and dissimilarity MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including actually quite basic moving kind of sort of normal SMA and dramatic moving entirely normal AMA to basically especially examine the future development of the Avalanche, for the most part beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking, which sort of is genuinely huge. While Avax's Williams % R marker vary is at 46 to 57 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. Exchange sort of genuinely signal by and large for the most part is truly in every way that really matters conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 53-57% of the entry market, while Ethereum, especially all things considered, has a predominance of 16-33%, fundamentally for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Avax moving truly kind of normal. Union and difference MACD marker sort of is demonstrating an especially truly present moment by and large sell kind of essentially signal, as the MACD line for the most part sort of is moving beneath especially signal line, which very implies in a real sense really bears fundamentally especially are overwhelming on the lookout, showing how right now Avax sort of generally is somewhere near 84% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $14, 622, 370, 182 as USD, which fundamentally for the most part is very critical, which is very huge. The